Today I am going to discuss about stack and subroutine implementation using 8086 emulator. So our aim is to write an assembly language program to calculate square of n numbers stored in an array. Use subroutine to find the squares of a number. So here I am giving an input of numbers. N numbers are given here. I am considering 10 numbers are given 0 to 9, and output is in the form of BCD, binary coded decimal form, and we use a subroutine to find the square of a number. So input is given from 0 to 9 and output is in the format of BCD number, and we need to find out the square of these numbers. So initially I initialize a stack pointer. Its value is 0 FFFEH and count. There are numbers, input numbers is 0 to 9, so total 10 numbers are there. So 0 to count is set as 0A, that is 10, and I gave the data, input data to the memory location 0030H, and that will be loaded into SI register. Then move AL comma SI means first element in that location will be loaded into AL, and we call the procedure or a subroutine using the instruction call. Call square means square procedure is written here, and I call that procedure. This is the call procedure, and its procedure name is square. Square is the procedure name, and inside that procedure we perform the square of the given number that is stored in AL. So first AL content is copied into BH and CH and clear the AL register. Then we add the AL content with BH, that is repeated addition is take place. We can't do any multiplication because we need to convert the result into BCD format. So BCD is applied only onto the addition, add operation. So here we are performing repeated addition instead of multiplication, and the result is given to after addition we are performing the DA operation. Then this procedure is mainly used to repeated addition. Then that result will be stored into AL register, AH register. Then AH register will be stored into the after this call instruction we will return back to this statement. So AH result will be in AH, that will be stored in the memory location, and increment the SI pointer. Next pointer will be incremented by next location, and that content will be copied into AL register. Then decrement the count value, that is already നമ്മളൊരു value read ചെയ്തു, അതുകൊണ്ട് count value ഒന്ന് decrement ചെയ്തു. Then jump non zero ആണെങ്കിൽ we will move to again call the square function to find the square of that number. So this procedure is repeated for 10 numbers and halt the program. And here we will run the program using this emulate. Then we take the memory location. Then here memory location is 0030H, so I gave the number 0001, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09. So after running this program, the same location containing the square of the number in BCD format. So run this program. നമ്മളിവിടെ എന്താ ചെയ്തതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇൻപുട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ഇപ്പോൾ 0 to 9 വരെയുള്ള BCD നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയറാണ് കാണുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇൻപുട്ട് എന്താ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? 0 മുതൽ 9 വരെയുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് ഈ ലൊക്കേഷനിൽ തന്നെ ഓരോ അതേ ലൊക്കേഷനിൽ തന്നെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ 0 സാധാരണ BCD നമ്പർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ 4ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 16 ആണ്. 16 തന്നെ 1 6 റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ കാണാം 1ൻ്റേത് 1, 2ൻ്റെ 4, 3ൻ്റെ 9, 4ൻ്റെ 16, 5ൻ്റെ 25, 6ൻ്റെ 36, 7ൻ്റെ 49, 8ൻ്റെ 64, 9ൻ്റെ 81. ഇങ്ങനെ സ്ക്വയർ ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും യൂസിങ് this program. So that's all about stack and subroutine implementation.